Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery in your Subaru Ascent key fob. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new CR 2032 coin cell battery, which is a common size, and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in to avoid losing any small parts. This process is straightforward and can save you a trip to the dealership. Now, let's open the key fob. Start by pressing the small button on the side of the fob to release the emergency key. Pull the emergency key completely out and set it aside. You'll notice a small slot where the emergency key was housed. This is where we'll insert our screwdriver to gently pry open the casing. Be careful not to apply too much force. With the emergency key removed, insert your small flathead screwdriver into the slot and gently twist it to pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Once open, you'll see the old CR 2032 battery. Take note of its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Carefully remove the old battery and insert the new one, ensuring the positive side is correctly positioned. This ensures proper function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear them click securely into place. Don't forget to slide the emergency key back into its slot. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. For other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks, check the description below. They're truly worth it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.